Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Starling for business and we will see the general overview, the feature, the cost of maintaining them, the transaction fees, using them abroad, the best for account setup, customer support efficiency and the conclusion. But first please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's start from the overview. Monzo and Starling Bank operate without physical branch networks, necessitating the digital management of their respective business accounts. Each account is equipped with a contactless MasterCard, with Monzo's card sporting a grey hue and Starling's a sleek black design. Users can employ these cards internationally without incurring foreign transaction fees. Neither account accrues interest on credit balances, so it's noteworthy that Starling provides an overdraft option, unlike Monzo. Furthermore, both Monzo and Starling Bank extend protection to eligible deposits, ensuring coverage up to £85,000 per customer through the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. As fully licensed UK banks, both institutions adhere to regulation by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA. Now let's take a look to the future. While Monzo lacks a branch network, it provides an option to deposit cash at PayPoint location for a fee of £1 per transaction. However, there are limitations as deposits are restricted to £5 to £300 per transaction, with a cumulative limit of £1,000 every 6 months. Checks can be sent to Monzo at no cost, but international money transfer are not supported. The Monzo Lite account does not include additional cards for employees. Upgrading to the Pro account for £5 per month offers multi-user access for up to 2 employees, each receiving their own debit card. Limited companies qualify for this option. The Monzo Lite account lacks integration with accountancy software, but upgrading to the Pro account allows compatibility with Xero, QuickBooks, or Free Agent. In contrast, Starling facilitates cash deposit into business accounts at any post office branch, charging £3 for deposit up to £1,000 or 0.3% for amounts exceeding £1,000. Checks can be deposited through the app for amounts up to £1,000 with a simple food upload. International payments are also supported. Starling restricts payment cards to individuals with access to the business account, currently limited to company directors or sole traders. Additional cards for employees are not available. However, account holder can connect to accounting software such as QuickBook, Xero, and Free Agent through the Starling Marketplace, which also offer partnership with various services like insurance and pension. In this comparison, Starling emerged as the clear winner, offering in-app checks deposit and a broader range of services through its marketplace. Now let's take a look to the cost. Monzo Lite account comes with no monthly fee, and there are no charges for activities like depositing checks, making transfer, or setting up the direct debit. However, a £1 fee applies to cash deposit at PayPoint, and international money transfer are not available. Similarly, Starling's account has no monthly fee, and there are no charges for tasks such as checks deposit, domestic transfer, or setting up direct debit. Depositing cash at the post office incur a fee of £3 for amounts up to £1,000 or 0.3% for deposit exceeding £1,000. International payments carry a 0.4% fee along with local fees for each supported currency. In this comparison, Starling takes a slight lead, primarily due to its ability to facilitate international payment. Now let's take a look to transaction fees. Monzo and Starling both provide free card transaction and ATM cash withdrawals without fees within the UK. Result, it's a tie. Neither account imposes charge for card usage within the United Kingdom. Let's take a look to using them abroad. The Monzo card allows for fee-free spending at international retailers and restaurants with no foreign exchange fees. Users benefit from the MasterCard exchange rate without additional markups or changes. Cash withdrawals within the AAI incurs no fees as long as they stay within the £400 daily limit. However, outside the EEA, there is a stricter £200 limit for free withdrawals every 30 days, with a 3% charge for amounts exceeding this limit. In contrast, Starling Bank does not impose fees for card spending abroad, providing user with the Mastercard exchange rate without additional cost. Foreign ATM cash withdrawals are also free of charge. Result: Starling emerges the winner. While the competition is close, Monzo's cash withdrawals limits contrast with Starling's more flexible approach. Now let's see the sign up process. To initiate the process of opening a Monzo business account, you must download the app. If you are a new Monzo user, establishing a personal account is a prerequisite, accompanied by the submission of proof of identification. Subsequently, a series of questions will determine your business eligibility. Sole traders and directors of registered limited company with shares based in UK can apply. Essential details about your business, including industry, address, sites, and expected payment transaction, must be provided. Monzo does not perform a rigorous credit check, and receiving the initial bank card is free. Replacement cards incur a £5 fee, except in cases of fraud. Setting up a Starling business account is also accomplished through the app, necessitating the provision of identity verification documents such as passport, EU ID card, UK residence card, or UK photo driving license. Additionally, you may need to confirm your business nature and provide supporting documents like invoices, bank statement, account letters, signed contracts, qualification, or pay slips. Starling, like Monzo, does not conduct a stringent credit check, and the initial bank card is dispatched free of charge. Replacement, however, carry a £5 fee. Result: Starling holds a slight advantage primarily due to its streamlined process that doesn't require opening a personal account first. Now let's see the customer support. Monzo and Starling both provide round-the-clock customer support through their respective apps and other offer assistance via telephone or email. If you currently hold a business account with another bank, you have the option to utilize the current account switch service CASS to seamlessly transfer to either Monzo or Starling. Result: both Monzo and Starling offer comparable customer support services and both are participants in the CASS scheme. Now let's take a look to the conclusion. While both Monzo and Starling Bank present a compelling option for businesses, Starling Bank emerged as the preferred choice, securing victory in a greater number of aspects compared to Monzo. Not only does Starling Bank facilitate international payment, but it also seamlessly integrates with accountancy software, provides overdraft option, and notably imposes no limit on fee-free cash withdrawals abroad. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.